Alright, so here is my Google Drive setup. I've been cataloging a lot of things since about high school whenever I started using this. And this is my ED270 folder that is located in my junior year folder with all my other classes, including my summer classes that are all going to be in here. And then once fall passes, all my fall classes will be in a fall folder. But let's get back to 270. In here, I just have the documents and anything else that I've used to help get the help make my topic for the basic tools badge, and what I assume will be the topic for the rest of class. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is just what I've got so far, and this is how I keep myself organized. Inside here, if I need to, I can make a new folder or just make a new doc or slide, whatever I need. And yeah, that's about it.